Are you grappling with hair loss? You're not alone. Hair loss is a widespread condition touching the lives of millions around the globe. It's a silent struggle, often hidden under hats, wigs, or skillful hairdos. But let's shed some light on it. Hair loss can be a natural part of aging, but it can also be triggered by a multitude of factors. These can range from your genetic blueprint, handed down through generations, to stress, a silent creeper affecting us in more ways than we realize. Hormonal changes, especially those we experience as we age, can also play a significant role. And let's not forget certain medical conditions and treatments that can lead to hair loss, often unexpectedly. But remember, knowledge is power. Understanding the root cause of your hair loss is the first step towards finding a solution. But how exactly do hair loss treatments work? Let's delve into the science. At a basic level, hair loss treatments work by stimulating your hair follicles. These are the tiny pores from which your hair grows. Treatments aim to increase blood flow and deliver more nutrients to these follicles, promoting growth and preventing further loss. Over-the-counter treatments like minoxidil work in this way. They dilate the blood vessels, which allows more nutrients to reach the hair follicles. Prescription medications like finasteride, on the other hand, inhibit the production of a hormone called DHT, which is known to contribute to hair loss. In more severe cases, treatments such as laser therapy or hair transplant surgeries might be considered. Laser therapy uses low-level lasers to stimulate hair follicles, while hair transplant surgeries involve moving hair follicles from one part of the scalp to another. While the science may seem complex, the goal is simple: to restore growth and prevent further hair loss. So, what's the bottom line on hair loss treatments? Here's the deal. Hair loss treatments can be a game changer, but remember, one size does not fit all. Some might find over-the-counter solutions effective, while others may need to step it up with prescription medication. In some cases, surgical intervention could be the best route. What's crucial is to remember that effectiveness varies from person to person. That's why it's vital to keep in mind that your journey might look different than someone else's. Also, don't forget the importance of professional guidance. Before starting any treatment, it's smart to consult a healthcare provider. They can help you understand your unique situation and guide you towards the best options for you. And hey, we know that dealing with hair loss can be tough. But remember, you're not alone. With the right information and treatment, you can navigate this journey confidently.